exploring the phrase, echoes in the hall. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the beautiful and somewhat poetic phrase, echoes in the hall. This expression is not just about sound or architecture. It's rich in metaphorical meaning and is often used in literature and everyday language to convey deeper emotions and scenarios. Let's unravel its meanings together and see how you can use it in your English communications. The phrase, echoes in the hall, literally refers to the sounds that bounce off the walls and empty spaces of a hall, creating repeats or echoes that linger. Halls, being large and often empty spaces, are perfect for creating such acoustic phenomena. However, when we look at its use in language, it's not just about the physical echoes. In a metaphorical sense, echoes in the hall can symbolize memories, past events, or voices from the past that linger in one's mind or in a place. It's often used to describe situations where the presence or impact of something or someone from the past is still felt, even though they are no longer there. This can be used in stories to create a sense of nostalgia, sadness, or haunting. In literature, authors might use echoes in the hall to describe a character's return to an old family home, where the memories of their childhood and departed family members come back to them as if they were still there. In everyday language, someone might say, walking through the empty school, I could hear the echoes in the hall, not just referring to the literal sound but also to the memories of their school days that the empty corridors evoke. To use echoes in the hall effectively in English, be mindful of context. This phrase works best in settings where there's a reflection on the past or when describing empty, quiet spaces that evoke a sense of solitude or memory. Combine with descriptive language to enhance the emotional or atmospheric impact. For instance, the mansion, now silent, was filled with the echoes in the hall of laughter and joy from days long gone. We hope this exploration of echoes in the hall adds a new layer to your understanding of English phrases and enriches your language use. Whether you're crafting a story, describing a memory, or just enjoying the beauty of English, remember that phrases like this carry both sound and emotion, bridging the past with the present. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.